how to hide notification content on Android lock screen. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how you can easily hide notification content on Android lock screen. So let's dive right in. Open up the settings and then go to notifications. Now tap on lock screen notifications, and here you can see the hide content option. So if you want to hide the content from all the apps, then you can just tap on it. However, if you want to turn off the notifications of just few apps, then what you need to do is go to show content and go to the settings, that is the gear icon, and then now you can just unselect the app that you want to hide the notifications from, and you can turn on the apps that you want to see notifications of. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.